We are starting Hasbar Kedushin 7-8. We are in Masechet Kedushin, Perek Rishon, Ha'isha Niknes, and we are on Daf Lamed Aleph. Lamed Aleph, and we are 16 lines from the top. And the Gemara says the following: Sha'al ben Almana Achat es Rabbi Eliezer. One time, the son of a widow asked the following question to Rabbi Eliezer. Now, the son of the widow means his father has died, right? But he's asking anyway. Abba Omer Hashkeni Mayim. My father says, bring me water to drink. The Ima, it should be the Ima, not Ema. The Ima Omeret, and my mother says to me, Hashkeni Mayim, bring me water to drink. At the same time, both of them, which one do I do first? Eza mehem kodem. Which from them, kodem shall go first. Eza, from which mehem, from them, kodem, should I do first? Who do I have to listen to first? Amr leh. So Rabbi Eliezer says in response, Hanach kavod imcha, set aside the honor of your mother. Hanach, set aside, let it rest, the kavod, the honor of imcha, your mother. Va'aseh kavod avicha, and do the kavod, perform kavod, the honor avicha, of your father. Now why? Sha'ata, because you, the imcha, and your mother, chayavim, are obligated b'chvod avicha, to give kavod to your father. As I explained in class, it seems that since the father is responsible, the husband is responsible to provide all the material needs for his wife, and we know that kavod is always under the idea of providing food and shelter, etc. So it could be since the husband has the obligation to provide those physical material needs for the mother, she also is obligated in a way to show the kavod to her husband. Bo lifnei Rabbi Yeshua, and this Ben Almana also came lifnei, before Rabbi Yeshua. And he asked him the same question. He asked Rabbi Yeshua, if my mother and father simultaneously ask for water, who do I have to listen to first? Amar lo, Rabbi Yeshua said, Kach. He said the same thing. He gave the same answer that Rabbi Eliezer said, that you put your mother's covered on the side and deal with your father first, because both you and your mother both have an obligation to give kavod to your father. Okay, and if we want, we can quickly take a look at Rashi. Points out, in case Rabbi Yeshua, Amar lo kach, Rabbi Yeshua said kach, the same thing. Rabbi Yehoshua, Heshiv lo kederach sheheshiv lo Rabbi Eliezer. Rabbi Yeshua answered him kederach, in the same way sheheshiv lo Rabbi Eliezer. The Rabbi Eliezer said. So they both, two rabbis, agreed that when both mother and father are asking you for water to do kibbud av v'eim, the father goes before the mother, because the mother also has the obligation of giving kavod to the father of the family. Again, we will learn in the case of parents being divorced, the Gemara is going to teach us, and the halach is so, that it's up to the child on which one they want to serve first. Okay. Please do your hasbar, and don't forget to summarize.